Question 13 is one we get a lot. Which panels are the best solar panels? The answer is, the good news is it doesn't matter as much as it used to, because figuring out which panels would be the best is difficult, and to know, which ones to choose would be hard. The industry's gotten pretty commoditized, which helps. And then the second reason is that 90+% of our customers now get solar in a sort of pay-as-you-go fashion, where it's a third party owns the system, and they need, in order to make money, they need the system to produce what they said it would. So there's often a performance guarantee. There's always a performance guarantee that comes along with those systems. So if you put solar on your roof and this company owns it, you're basically paying for the electricity in a way that's cheaper than you would be paying the utility. What panels you use don't really matter all that much. One guy in our company always says you can put a potato on the roof with forks in it. If it makes energy for cheaper than the utility, then what difference does it make? And I think I agree with them. I think I agree with him.